Mr. Narendra Kumar, 32 years male patient, known case of ulcerative colitis. The past history 3 years back, the patient was complaining of sensation to defecate after eating, has to go to the consistency of stool, loose, watery, thick mucus, no any smell, then gradually the loose motion with PR bleed, bright red color. The cramp-like pain around umbilicus during and after stool feels better after defecation. Cannot control the defecation sometimes. The prostration after the act of defecation want to lie down, then only feels better. Aggravation outside food after eating non-veg morning and by stress. Ambulation after defecation by laying down. Patient had to caloric treatment, steroids, got temporary relief since 3 years. Also take the medic treatment since 1.5 years. Has to give strength to pass stools. Ailment factors, irregular dietary habits, stress, exertion, short sleep and non-veg. Since 15 to 17 years, patient was complaining of like irritable bowel syndrome query. After taking non-veg, sometimes crampy pain with sensation to go to defecation. Past history of piles first degree after starting the complaint of ulcerative colitis. The pulmonary cox took the AKT 8 months back. Left side involvement of lung. Appetite decrease, habits alcohol and nail biting. Craving for non-veg chicken salty and oily. Craving for non-veg chicken salty and oily. Aversion for sweet. Food aggravation by non-veg. Thirst 1 to 1.5 liters. Thirstlessness. Tongue white coating centrally. Jibbo with indentations on the sides. Headache when short sleep. Eyes speaks for long vision, stomach fullness of abdomen after eating, upper abdomen involvement, irritation, sourness, flatulence, aggravation, empty stomach, pungent thing, ambulation after eating and drinking water, skin acne on the face since 3 months, perspiration more on the forehead, chest and offensive smell. Sleep is refreshing, no snoring, sometimes startle, covering up to leg, lays on abdomen or sides, dreams of routine work. The occupation doctor, BMS, childhood, joint family, good financially, short temper, desires company, obstinate. Anger when anything against mind, submissive, restriction of mother, so doesn't participate in any activity, didn't had interest in an activity, timid. Now nuclear family, good financially, short tempered, irritability, contradiction, intolerance. Anger if anything against mind expressed by throwing the things and shouting, egoistic, superiority complex. Anger when anybody contradict him, contradiction, intolerance. Image conscious, duty mind, curiosity, likes news channel, helping nature, timid, wants prestige, fastidious, calculative, doesn't believe easily on anyone, workaholic, obstinate, ambitious, doesn't take responsibility, query, wants appreciation, like car driving, anticipatory anxiety, anxiety about job, thermally chilly patient.